Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious marinara sauce pasta. We'll start by gathering all our essential ingredients. For a fantastic sauce, you'll want about 2 pounds of ripe, juicy tomatoes, 4 cloves of fresh garlic, and a handful of fragrant basil. Don't forget 1 pound of your favorite pasta, a good quality olive oil, and basic seasonings like salt, pepper, and a tiny pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Having everything prepped makes cooking a breeze. Now let's get to the heart of the dish, the marinara sauce. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your 4 minced garlic cloves and sauté them gently until they become wonderfully fragrant, which usually takes about 1 minute. Then, pour in your 2 pounds of crushed or diced tomatoes. Let this simmer for at least 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finish by stirring in fresh basil, salt, and pepper to your liking. While your sauce is simmering, it's time to cook the pasta to perfection. Fill a large pot with plenty of water and add a generous pinch of salt. This seasons the pasta from within. Bring it to a rolling boil, then add your 1 pound of pasta. Cook it according to the package instructions, aiming for that ideal al dente texture, which means it's firm to the bite. Before draining, remember to scoop out about 1 cup of that starchy pasta water. It's a secret ingredient for a silky sauce. Finally, let's bring it all together for a truly satisfying meal. Once your pasta is perfectly cooked and drained, add it directly into the pot with your simmering marinara sauce. Toss everything together gently, ensuring every strand of pasta is coated in that rich, flavorful sauce. If the sauce seems a bit thick, gradually add some of that reserved pasta water, 1 or 2 tablespoons at a time, until you reach your desired consistency. Serve immediately, garnished with fresh basil and a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese for an extra touch of deliciousness. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.